Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Dovecot Baby. Full story. One late night, a young lady and her boyfriend was on their way to Kitson Town in St. Catherine. He was riding a bike and she was on the back. On the way, while passing Dovecot Cemetery, the bike suddenly stopped. Her boyfriend jumped off to check what was happening with the bike and to see how he could fix the problem. The young lady quickly started to notice that they were in front of a cemetery, and that made her even more scared. The road was pitch black with little to no street lights and was lonely. She drew closer to her boyfriend, looking around suspiciously when she heard a baby crying. She asked him if he heard that, but he said no. As he continued to try to fix the bike, she could still hear a baby crying in the distance. The sound drew closer, and she became frantic. Wanting to escape this nightmare, she asked him again if he heard that. He told her that was impossible because they were in front of a cemetery. She suddenly heard a voice whisper shh, shh, and the crying stopped. She urged him to abandon the bike to return later, but he wasn't leaving his bike. The baby started to cry again. This time it was closer. She almost peed. She heard shh, shh again, and it stopped again. The place became silent. You could hear a pin drop. When she looked around, she saw the shadow of a woman just standing in the middle of the road, watching them. Eventually, the bike started up again and the two drove to their destination. That guy is no longer living due to unrelated circumstances. R.I.P.
Like and follow for more.